Hi, I'm Steph.
And I am Agnieszka.
And welcome to
our Booksy Adventures.
Let's Go. Well, what do you think to Stud and Donkey?
So we've been travelling around Europe for a few years now in our motorhome Bugsy, and these are our adventures around Spain. Sometimes we've had to push ourselves, so I hope you're enjoying these adventures. Please like and subscribe and keep watching. There's lots more to come, and please comment, we'd love to hear from you. So, see you soon.
Let's go kayaking.
Spanish trip number 7. We travelled down from Benidorm this morning and we're stopping off in a city called Elche.
You've got your own billboard. Yeah. Are you hot enough? Caught you out. Oh, would you like to jump in there? Oh, yeah. Go on then. So you know we like to try our McDonald's out when we come to a different country. Still in Spain. And have you ever seen a McDonald's as empty as this one? Yeah, the only people in here. So 11 AM in the morning. So Agnieszka's just downstairs getting our order. Over here. So you don't know where to sit when you can choose the whole place. Well, let's see how old it is. There, you film.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, honey.
So we had a lovely time looking around this city called Elche or Elche. Time to move on now to a lovely beach parkup.
Huh? Yeah, but I still might put my shoes on. So we're here at our first park up on the beach. I'll find out what it's called. Can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, we literally basically got one of the last places in the car park that they let you stay on overnight. So I'll let you have a little look. Got this. A few steps down there to get on. But easy going to be able to get the kayak out here tomorrow. So looking forward to it. I don't know whether we're going to set Bugsy up or not. We might do. We'll see. So we're still on the beach, somewhere. Where do you think
Somewhere
we are?
in Almeria,
Somewhere in Almeria.
on our way to Caminito del Rey.
Yeah, we're going there, aren't we? Yeah. It's gorgeous. Sun's shining, and the sea is like soup. The sea's like a bath. So yeah,
So
I'll have a walk down in a minute just to show you about.
drink.
I can't film too much because all the women seem to have the boobies out. So we'll see how we get on. I think we'll come in. Shall we do the kayaking here tomorrow? Get round that coastline over there. Nice. Oh, don't go too deep. It's nice, isn't it? What you do with your boobies?
That's not me.
Is it not?
No.
So where is Bugsy parked? He's somewhere up there. Just looking over the side at us.
Hopefully all people will be gone soon. All beach for us.
She's greedy, she wants the whole beach to herself. It's a bit naughty, but nice. Oh, so the sun has moved over the top now.
There's actually two beaches either side of this rock formation. Hopefully I should be able to show you around the rock formation and into the other side cove tomorrow when we get the kayak out. Each beach has got its own little restaurant and bar, so doesn't really matter which one you go to, they're both gorgeous.
Sorry? So Agnieszka, what do you think to it so far?
Wonderful. Especially being on a beach. Oh, so good.
So, cheers.
We got up really early this morning to get into this water before the crowds come with the kayak, because it gets that busy you would struggle to walk to the sea. Videoing you now, but doing some work swings. That's it, you keep going forwards. She's working. Some more kayakers. Boarders. Okay. Did she in Spanish? Oh, okay. Have a drink, please, baby. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, we're at a different beach now, looking at the mushroom cliff. There's some nice little caves as well.
Yeah, just hold it like that. Got it?
Looks like we made it, baby.
Recording? Huh? Yeah. Are you being charged?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot I got my glasses on. That could have been dodgy. I forgot I even got on.
Oh, we could love it. Don't love it, baby.
So I've got to catch the massive wave, look.
Oh,
Oh, I missed it.
lack of weight.
Big one coming.
No.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. Nice feet.
Come in. Hey! Like a shark. That's Pink Panther. Do 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 do.
Oh yeah, that's
Do do. You was going da-dum, 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 da-dum.
This was a truly amazing stop. We had some fun splashing around in the water, got some exercise, had some cocktails, drinks at the bar. Just a fantastic place to stop. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, because we're off to another beach park up, hopefully as good as this one. So, see you around soon.